Hey guys, so I want to share with you this camera plate down here. It looks quite cool and it works really well. Like any plate, it has a block and you can take it out, and it is the cheapest plate with really good quality that I could find. It's around 15-16 US dollars for one of these. I have brought two so far, and they are really great if you find yourself changing rigs very often, like I do. Sometimes I need to use the shoulder rig and then jump over very quickly to a glide cam. And what used to happen, like over last 4 to 5 years when I use the glide cam, I used to just have the glide cam have the weights, because my camera is the GH4. It's quite light camera, so I put extra weights on the top, and I've used to use this screw to screw in the camera, and that process honestly was quite painful and just really time consuming. And as you know, when you shoot, you don't want to be wasting your time on screwing in the camera, getting it ready. It's much better to actually start filming. So this actually makes the process of filming much easier, much quicker, and you're able to get the camera from one rig to the other very quickly. So let's take a closer look on how this works. So basically I have this mount on the glide cam. It's now much quicker to mount the camera on it. You just have the mounting plate on there, you slide it in, you gotta unlock it first, slide it in, unlock, slide in. It has a lock, so it cannot go out if you don't lock it. You place the camera, if it's on the glide cam, in the center, you lock it down. Now the camera is perfectly still. It's not gonna take off anywhere. It's actually quite great. And the great thing about it is you don't need like 10 minutes of time unscrewing the things from the glide cam. Every time I used to do this, the screw, unfortunately, on the bottom would actually make the camera either sideways or backwards when I tighten it up, and then I need to do so many unnecessary time-wasting maneuvers to like get the camera pointing perfectly straight on the glide cam. So now I've made this plate to be perfectly straight, and now all it takes is to slide in the camera on this lovely plate, and it works quite well. So this plate includes the locking mechanism, the tightening mechanism, the locking release point, so you just press and slide it out. This one includes two screws. You can take out this plastic bit to take out this screw, and there's a extra bigger screw for bigger cameras. Easy, slide in and lock it down, and it doesn't move anywhere. It also has a little level, a bubble level, and that's pretty much it. But it's a really simple design, simple thing. It's something that everyone should actually have. Like, I think that the plates I'll pretty much keep at all times on my camera without taking it off, so then I can only slide it in, take it out, and be ready to shoot. Also, a good thing is pretty much as many of camera rigs you have, get as many plates for it. So I'm using a shoulder rig and a glide cam, so I have one for each. And then also, if I want to buy one for my tripod or my monopod, I will also do that as well, because then I can quickly slide out, slide in. I don't need to change the plates. I don't need to worry about, you know, any time-consuming things. It's just a matter of unlock, lock in, tighten, and shoot. So this has kind of been like a quick overview of this plate. If you guys enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and probably I'll try to do something that looks better, a video that looks better than just a phone recorded video, but I just wanted to share this little camera plate that I found was pretty useful for me. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a thumbs up, and I will catch you next time. Cheers.